To download and install your Magnet Talk Softphone app, first visit magnetnetworks.com. On the homepage, select Support at the top of the screen. From its menu on the left, click Downloads and you'll see the Magnet Talk Softphone application. Click its orange Download button. The Magnet Talk Softphone installer will then download automatically. Once downloaded, open it by clicking the file at the bottom left of your screen. Then double-click on the Softphone Magnet Talk version 2.8. A standard installation wizard will appear. Follow its on-screen instructions to complete the Softphone's installation. During this, your IT administrator may need to give you permissions to install the Softphone on your device. When these permissions have been added, your Softphone will continue to install. Once installed, the Magnet Talk Softphone shortcut icon will be automatically added to your desktop. To open your Softphone, double-click this. Then right-click the grey section of the Softphone display to register your extension. If you select Settings, a pop-up window will appear where you can enter your registration details. The server IP will be yourcompanyname.magnettalk.com. You should always input 5075 as the server port. Finally, enter your registration name and registration PIN in the relevant fields. Click OK and you'll be all set to make calls on your Magnet Talk Softphone.